Imagine getting paid every single month or quarter just for owning shares of a company. No long hours, no see the hassle, no extra effort. Just steady, reliable income flowing into your account while you sleep. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream has a name. Dividend investing. And today, I'm revealing the top 5 dividend stocks for passive income that can help you start building real wealth and financial freedom. Welcome back to Rich Map, the channel that helps you grow smarter with your money, invest wisely, and build lasting wealth. If you are someone who loves the idea of making your money work for you, not the other way around, then this video is exactly for you. Before we jump in, quick reminder, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Alright, let's dive into our first dividend stock pick that keeps paying investors year after year. Starting off strong with Johnson & Johnson J. This company has been around for over 130 years and is a true powerhouse in healthcare. From baby shampoo to medical devices and life-saving drugs, J&J has built one of the most diversified and reliable businesses in the world. But here is what makes it a dividend investor's dream. It asks a dividend king. That means it has increased its dividend for over 60 consecutive years. Think about that. Through recessions, wars, pandemics, they never stopped paying. As of now, the dividend yield hovers around 3%, and their payout ratio is healthy, leaving room for future increases. J&J offers stability and slow, steady growth. Perfect for those who want consistent income with minimal risk. Next up, Coca-Cola Co. Another legend among dividend stocks. The company literally defines brand power. No matter where you go in the world, you will find Coca-Cola products on store shelves. What impressive is their ability to adapt. They are not just a soda company anymore. They have diversified into water, coffee, energy drinks, and healthier beverages that keeps their cash flow strong and steady. Coca-Cola has been paying dividends for over 100 years, and increasing them for 60 straight years. The current yield is around 3.2%, which might not sound huge, but when you combine that with long-term dividend growth and stock appreciation, it becomes a steady source of passive income that beats inflation over time. Warren Buffett has famously called Coca-Cola one of his best long-term holdings, and if it's good enough for Buffett, it's probably worth your attention too. Coming in at number 3, we have Procter & Gamble, PG. The master of everyday essentials. Think Tide, Gillette, Pampers, and Head & Shoulders. These are products people buy again and again, no matter what the economy is doing. That's what makes PG so special. Its business is built on consistency. You might not get explosive stock growth here, but you will get reliability. Procter & Gamble is also a dividend king, having raised its dividend for over 65 years. The current yield is around 2.5%, but their history of dividend growth and recession-proof product lineup make it a rock-solid addition for passive income investors. If you want a company that quietly keeps making money behind the scenes, PG deserves a place on your radar. Our fourth pick is Realty Income, often called the monthly dividend company, and it's not just a catchy slogan. Realty Income literally pays dividends every single month, which makes it a favorite among investors looking for regular income. They own and lease over 13,000 commercial properties across the US and Europe. From convenience stores, to gyms, to drugstores, their tenants include names like Walgreens, Dollar General, and 7-Eleven, all businesses with steady demand. The dividend yield usually sits around 5%, significantly higher than most traditional dividend stocks. That makes Realty Income a fantastic option for those who want to supplement their monthly income or reinvest those payments for compound growth. Plus, the company has raised its dividend over 120 times since going public. That's consistency you can count on. Finally, number 5. PepsiCo. Coca-Cola might get all the attention, but PepsiCo has quietly outperformed in many ways. Why? Because it's not just beverages, it's also snacks. Frito-Lay, Doritos, Quaker Oats, Cheetos, all under the Pepsi umbrella. This gives them multiple income streams and protection against market downturns. PepsiCo has increased its dividend for 50 consecutive years, making it another dividend king. The yield sits around 2.8%, and their consistent cash flow keeps investors confident. It's the kind of company that continues to grow earnings year after year while rewarding shareholders along the way. PepsiCo proves that boring businesses can sometimes be the most profitable. Now, if you are thinking, okay, these companies sound great, but how do I actually build passive income from them? Here is the key: consistency and reinvestment. Do not focus on short-term price swings. Instead, buy high-quality dividend stocks, hold them long-term, and reinvest your dividends back into more shares. Over time, this compounding effect can turn a small investment into a serious stream of income. Let's say you invest $10,000 spread evenly across these 5 companies, each yielding around 3%. It's $300 a year in dividends, just for holding. If you reinvest those dividends and continue adding more money each year, that income can grow exponentially. Fast forward 10 or 20 years, and you could be earning hundreds, even thousands, in passive income every single year. Remember, the goal is not to get rich overnight. It's to build wealth steadily. Dividend investing rewards patience, discipline, and long-term thinking. That is how you create true financial freedom. The kind where your money never stops working for you. To recap, Johnson & Johnson for healthcare stability, Coca-Cola for brand dominance, Procter & Gamble for consistency, Realty Income for monthly cash flow, PepsiCo for diversification and growth. Together, these 5 stocks represent the perfect balance between safety, reliability, and income growth. They are not flashy, but they pay you to own them. And that's the beauty of dividend investing. If you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to RichMap for more content that helps you make smarter financial moves. Comment below which dividend stock is your favorite, or if there's one I missed that you think deserves a mention. Thanks for watching RichMap, where we map your path to financial freedom, one smart investment at a time. Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep growing your wealth.